Okay, happy Friday, everyone. My name is Jeff, and I am from theboxman.com. We have changed the way that you should watch TV. And in this video, we're going to show you how to add VPN.io application to your Android devices, specifically Formula devices. So as we get into this video, thank you guys for tuning in. And if you're looking at this video and maybe you haven't purchased VPN.io, I am a reseller for this VPN, this provider. I've been using them for about 2.5, 3 years, and they work very, very well. Now, really quick, why you would want a VPN. A VPN is a virtual private network. And the reason you would want that is it's 2025 and privacy is at an all-time high. So having a VPN gives you an option to be more private while you're streaming online. Now, though you're not using an actual computer, when you're streaming on a media device, whether that be this Formula Z10 Pro or Amazon Fire Stick or even an On 4K Pro or Plus, you are streaming and on the internet. Having your private information looked at, peeked at, and all that, this type of virtual private network will handle the privacy side of it. Now, when you add the streaming component to what you're trying to do, it'll also give you some advantages that some cable companies or internet service providers, they throttle, they mess with your connection. And having one of the VPNs in your pocket or in your arsenal can save you a lot of time and eventually a lot of money. So I'm going to show you how to add the VPN. It's already on here, but I had several people who need this VPN, and I'm going to show you where to find it. On this device, you will find, on this device, you will find a market, a green thumbnail with a shopping cart. You're going to press OK. From here, you're going to see some categories on the left. Top 10, general apps, OTT, VPN/DNS. You're going to push to the right. You got different VPNs like Express, WireGuard. I've never heard of them. Surfshark, 1.1.1, Lily DNS. All the way to the end is VPN.io. You're then going to click on that. Well, I've already installed it, so you're going to click on download to install. Once it's installed, you're going to get this option where it says open, uninstall, or more info. If I click on more info, it's just going to tell you what that is. If I uninstall, if it's already on my device, I can uninstall it or I can open it. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. And you're going to see this is going to be blotted out. Once you open it, and you've paid, I think it's $50 for a year for 5 devices, then you're going to go ahead and get the username or email and the password, and that'll be sent to you. And once you get that information in, like you're seeing here, it'll be blotted out. You're going to go down here to the bottom where it says remember me, and there's not going to be a check mark. You're going to highlight that and press OK for the check mark. Then you're going to highlight login and press OK to log in. Because the credentials are good and your first time logging in, you're going to get a pop-up that says, do you allow the VPN connection to be on your device? You're going to then press OK on that pop-up. It didn't pop up for me because I already have it on my device. Once that's there, you can always tap the auto select part right here, press OK. You're going to see some different servers from Amsterdam, Chicago, Dallas, Miami, New York, Seattle. Not a lot of servers, but the majority of them are also in the United States, which makes it a lot easier. And they have one overseas. So if you want to go ahead and choose the UK or whatever it might be, all these locations. We have a lot of international folks in our group use VPN.io. And now we have a lot of people in North America who are starting, our customers who are using it. So I recommend that you use it. So I'm going to choose Chicago. And once that's there, you'll see that it's connected. So this is how you add the VPN.io. If you're a current customer, this is how you would do it. So you can put it on your device so you can connect to some of the services that you like. get the protection that you like, and you can continue on your streaming journey. As I close out the video, I'm grateful for those who already know us, like us, and trust us, and I'm grateful for you for tuning into this video. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.